What's up, guys? Welcome back to another classic car walk around here at Coyote Classics. And today, Chad and I are gonna squeeze into this little 1955 Ford Thunderbird.
Man, squeeze in is right, D. Think we can do it?
I sure hope so.
What's this 55 Ford Thunderbird has a super cool history. Dalton just got done going through all the paperwork that came with this car, and it was super thick. Every receipt since 1984 or better.
It was even went further back than that. I mean, the stack of paperwork is probably this thick, loose leaf, papers and receipts.
Nice.
If you wanted to sit through and go through it, I bet it'd take you 12 hours.
Oh, that's awesome. This car's got a really cool history. This car was actually sent over and registered first in France, correct?
That's correct.
And it had 3 English owners before it came back here to the States in 1978, I think.
Yeah.
And then it was titled in Pennsylvania, titled in Florida, where the previous owner bought it in 1984.
Yep.
So really cool history on this 1955 original red bird, shipped to France, brand new and registered first in France.
Yeah, kind of did it backwards. A lot of times anymore, us Americans will send cars over there and we won't see them again, whereas this one came back here. But a neat car.
Yeah, I would classify this car, guys, as just an awesome driver condition car. This car's not going to break the bank, but it's a beautiful car. It's a very highly optioned car, and you know, just check it out. As we go underneath the hood, we've got, I'll try to keep our shadow out of the way here. It's got the nice Thunderbird engine in it, a 4-barrel carburetor. It does have a Holly on it. Brand new Napa Legend battery, power steering, power brakes, just a super cool car, and a factory air car at that, Dalton. So underneath the hood, guys, we've got a ton of options. The paint on the bottom side of the hood is all in good shape. Inner fender paint, stuff like that. That's what I'm talking about. It's an older restoration. So as we look in here, guys, you can just see the red paint and stuff's older. Some of it might even be original. Here's our France right here, guys. This is our France information here where it was sold to France.
And here is a little tag, Liverpool radiator.
Radiator shop. Yep. Cool. It's got the correct hoses and stuff still all on it. I mean, it's just a great running driving car, guys. If we go to the front bumper here, Jason went ahead and steel wooled everything. The front bumper and grille is original and it still looks really nice. Tim went ahead and put a nice buff on it from bumper to bumper, and just gave this original red car a nice shine. Our hood gap is really nice here across the, all the way across the top of the fender. Both fenders, the whole in front of the hood, everything's in great shape. We're gonna have a little imperfections, stuff like this that's been touched up, guys, here and there. The top of the front fender right here, the paint's shiny, but you can see the bodywork just a little bit over, 30-year-old paint starting to show through just a little bit there. The top of the hood looks good. How would you describe this car, Dalt?
I think we said it best when we said it's a good-looking driver condition car with a neat story and a lot of documents.
Yeah, if you're looking for just a cool car, well optioned, right here we got a few little paint imperfections right here in this front edge of this fender. Tires are 205 75/15 radials. It has a matching spare, all painted to match, and another nice radial spare in the trunk. The rest of this fender looks to be in excellent shape. All the way down here in the rocker panel, top of the fender, all along the door here looks to be in really good shape as well. Right by the antenna here, we just noticed it does have a little paint crack here by the antenna. Door handles are nice. There's a little scratch in the paint right here. Couple chips along the door guard, door edge. Rocker panel has some chips on it right where it meets there to the door. Door opens up really nicely. We do have a little tiny little scratch ding right here. I can see it in the right light.
We'll try to point out everything that we can see, but we won't be able to get everything.
Door panel's in great shape. Power window works excellent, goes up nice and smooth and fast. Door jamb paint is older. Some of it could be original. The seat's been recovered. The seat's in beautiful shape, nice and soft. It's got 2 seat belts in the front, and it's got the original carpet still, guys. You can see just the right amount of fade in this factory carpet. We shampooed it, but that's about all we did to it. Air conditioner blows. Heater fan works. Radio works. Our little glove box light, dash light works. Horn works. Temp gauge works. Factory clock works. Factory tack works. Gas gauge works. It has oil and generator lights. Odometer shows 16,863. You might be able to tell if it's 116,863 or more. The dash pad is excellent. Very, very nice. So really nice interior. Shows a lot of originality with that carpet and a little in the door jambs, but other than that, the interior is excellent.
Yes, and it does have a white top as well. A white convertible top.
Yep, and the top's in decent shape. That's older, but it works fine. Doors.
If you're driving a 55 T-Bird, I mean, you want the top down.
Exactly. The fender skirts look great. Leave them on, take them off. It's your personal preference. The quarter panel is super straight. The whole car is straight. I mean, for an older driver paint job, it's still a super sharp car.
Yeah, it does have, like, kind of see it's got some orange peel and stuff up here. But like Chad said, probably 20, 30-year-old paint.
Yeah. Back bumper looks good. The dual exhaust comes out nicely. The pipes are newer. I mean, you can see a reflection anywhere in the chrome, the paint. Continental kit. Some people love it. Some people hate it. I actually like the Continental kit myself.
Yeah, so how you do it is there's a latch right here. You push down.
Perfect.
Latches right in.
Good. Inside the trunk, guys, is very highly detailed. Go check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com.
I like the exhaust on these T-Birds, how it comes out the back bumper. I think that's just super cool.
It is. I mean, it's just an awesome selling point. As far as both of our doors, guys, they shut fine. They could be adjusted in just a little bit more. They're kind of finicky that way. On the other T-Bird we had, we just went ahead and it was like 15 bucks, bought the new little piece inside the door jamb there, and that took care of it. So driver's side's in excellent shape as well. Paint and body's just as nice as the passenger. Try to keep my
I can just picture this car in France going up and down the coast. I think they probably got coast there with oceans, but I could definitely see this car in France.
It's a super cool car. I really like it. Door rubbers and stuff, they're still all nice and pliable. Door panels appear to be original. They're in good shape as well. Power window driver's side works well. The felts and stuff are original, they look like in there, and they still are decent. Again, original carpet, original kick panels and stuff. They show a little wear. Our temperature gauge is running nice down on the low side. Tack. Idle's about 900 RPM. You know, we kind of made a joke about squeezing in, dude, but look at how much room we got.
I was going to say the same thing, actually.
We do have a little chip in the windshield, guys, here over on the passenger side. I want to make sure we point that out. Rear view mirror is nice and tight. I just can't believe the clock and tack and everything works.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's hard to find. Very hard to find.
I did find something that don't work.
What's that?
Vacuum wipers.
Vacuum wipers.
Put this thing in gear. It's idling down about 500 RPMs, D.
Nice.
Damn, I really don't want to go through that mud. These things steer so awesome with power steering. You know, so many of them were built without power steering.
Yeah.
Even though they're a small car and have a big steering wheel, guys, make sure you get one with power steering.
And these were like the sports cars of the day. You know, I mean, this was about it. I mean, they race these things.
Exactly. A lot like our Corvette. Hey, our speedometer works great too, Dalt.
Nice.
As we get up to the, we got drum brakes on it all the way around. Brakes don't pull hard right or left.
I like the hood and the front fenders on these too. They're just neat. You know, you kind of feel like you're.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Speedometer works perfect, doing 50 mile an hour. Shifts right into second at about 50.
It's a cold day in this T-Bird.
It's about 45 degrees in Iowa. Check it out though. The steering wheel, guys, going down the road is just a little bit off the center. But one finger going down the road. Check that out.
Nice.
This car drives awesome. It drives just as nice as the other completely restored T-Bird, guys, that we just had.
Nice driving car.
Fantastic. 80 mile an hour.
80 mile an hour. And I think my fingers are about to fall off. It's so cold. But go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check this thing out. Give us a call. It's been in France, it's been in Pennsylvania, been in Florida, and now it's time to be in your garage.